Ani yago tongo sini contestants on the results. Ang norno tay bisi degrilia norok gesangkha norok jorao kobo kolom khana phiaba tay kisisa jora naisimi Hadi, sing tabuk, our result no naina bagi thangai jong. Sini contestants ro, not ready da, not ready kan oble. Pai phano, paya phano. Dini ni result, nor ni tali khao, nor ni history wo tinini yagulo sijaka norok asik kosto khlai asik sa jorarui nor joro sopaika norni talent bai norni phan bai norni sirumung bai norni rehearse bai nor tini oro sopaika sini EMs sini MDCs tai sini former EM botong Borobo joto khakali na sabno narni sabno nariga result aba haina nongkhorkha semi finale wo khorok tham tai ngui norok or khorok sajuna norok sopeka khorok batong na jaga wo norni kapal kaham dini or result no announce kaisinai but before that Sini Pazi ready to talk? Narajoto ready na? Are you ready? Thank you! And the result is Tolani Bukaktikan Chanchinai. Mehdi Deverma on the stage, please! Ang tabuk nungin hartinai sini buskango MDC Uma Shankar sini buskango sini bukuk mehelino ini a shokatno yafana bagi Bukuk Mehli Bo sixth positional Simbai Baksakai competition round of grand finale of sixth positional Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sing Jota Yapa Koran, please. Man gets activity Koran. Bonnie Logio, Bonnie check Yapar the night. Bonnie check by Yapar the night. 5,000 rupees check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position of Takute Bwkha. Are you ready? Paidongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Paiga, Buku, Ishita, TIPRA. Thank you. So go to Yapkolen, please. And Bono Yapana Bagay, Benisokano Yapana Bagay, and Numina Hanai, Emily, Patanlal Jamatia on the stage. Senjata Yapkolen, please. Bono Bagay. On the fourth position, Belaike Wansumani Yagulo, Belaike tough competition Yagulo, fourth position of Sopeka, tie. Semi-finale Koroktam tie Raka, Koroktam equal marks paper Paika. But finale Korok Nari, fourth round of Sopeka. So let me announce the names. Priya Chamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basran Deberma on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Data Bahan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, fourth position of Sopeka. Borok Nini Bishingo, Soman numbers Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopeka. Senjata Yapahor and Nina Born Bagay, please. And Takute Bwkha. Tabog non Nibuskango announced China Naidomo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up mane third position of Ninjago. Bonibonang Tabog non Nibuskango announced China Nai. Let me call upon Miss Shushmita Deberma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Shuel Deberma on the stage, please. Right, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Like a humbai? Sini, first runners up. Oh, Bwkha Sushmita. Bwkha Sushmita, Nini trophies. Boskango Yaparzaka, Sini EM ICA Department and Sports Nimisi DK, Shuhel Deberma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event. and a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang mano. Baksani enya panang mano. But sing jota ya bokor lene jota tir khol lene. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya panabagang koinay, sini GTA and sini ngay EM Fishery Rajesh TIPRA. Galay ka hampay. Ulta. Guys, a trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni logio guys, a guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees. 50,000 and no nibuskango antabuk sini final winner no announce China naito hiaba winner na sigang tubugak puilang nominahanay sini GTA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir please. And now, that final round. The final round is Rupesh Deborah on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents TIPRA Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy. Guys, a guitar. Logo. Guys, a scooty tie. 1 lakh rupees amount of check and a scooty. Senjoto ya pohon ni David Pagi. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Pagi. Tahu te bohong. Nor joto ready to don. Sing TIPRA Idol Season 2. Dewi Jain Hai. Haining Chalo. Sing Tuwi Paitinai. Tahu te bohong. Nor joto na hambai nor sumai baksa. Ini pelega. Dai sini contestants no nor belai ke support kaiga. Listen, sini finals dono sen narnai. They burning photo session for sen try le.